On the busy streets of Bhujbal Chowk, Pune, countless stories unfold every day. But some stories are silent, carried by those who have no voice. A lonely wag of tail, a pained cry, they are cries for help that often go unheard. But here at MH14 Animal Hospital, a different kind of story is written. This isn't just a place, it's a sanctuary. It's where a helping hand reaches out, where a forgotten soul finds comfort, and where a silent prayer is answered. We believe every life is precious, every heartbeat a miracle. If you see a stray animal in distress, an injured cat, a sick dog, know that you can be their hero. You can be a reason they get a second chance. We are here, ready to respond in any medical emergency. From life saving surgeries to gentle healing and nurturing, this hospital is a beacon of hope. This is our promise to them. Will you join us? Call us MH14 Animal Hospital and help us make a difference, one life at a time.
So, welcome to MH14. This is our examination room. So, when the case comes in, we have two tables here. One is a general table, or we have a table for if it's a viral or a contagious disease, then we keep the dog on a separate table so that there is no cross contamination. After every case is handled, each table is sanitized specifically, and you can see there's proper drainage. So this area is cleaned, sanitized after each and every case so that no other dog is, getting those infections. This is our blood testing and X-ray room. As you can see, they are getting the X-ray table ready for the new case which has just come in, which is an accident case. So an X-ray is taken, the blood is tested immediately so that we can start the treatment immediately. And no time is wasted. This is the operation theatre. This place is also very sanitized. We can't go in because of that. There is a pre-operative, post-operative. So for them to recover after, because we need to monitor them after the anesthesia wears off. This is the cat examination room. As you can see, this is enclosed because cats tend to run away. So we need a separate table and a separate enclosed room here. Special gloves are used to handle them because cats can scratch otherwise. This is a small area for our in-house dogs or even the dogs which are admitted, for them to just come, relax a bit, to play, to rest. This is the thing. Don't touch her, she's not ready. This is the kitchen where meals are freshly prepared every day for the dogs. Chicken and rice mainly. We feed this to the cats, dogs over here who are admitted. You can see it's segregated properly according to each case again. This is a small office. This is one of the sections. We can start from here. This, you can see it's being sanitized properly with a lot of water. With water every single day, sanitize every day. Each cage also, when it gets empty, we have to sanitize it properly. So you see there's an elevation also, so the area is also segregated. There's a drainage inside also. So, every kennel can be washed properly. The different wards, that is the cat ADT section where he animal birth control surgery. Yeah. This is the accident and the puppy ward. Careful, it's very slippery. That is the gastro section. Gastro is a very contagious disease. So we keep that ward separate. There's an isolation ward also. Because even the people who handle these cases, they have been given strict instructions that after they have dealt with the case, they have to have a bath and only then touch the other dog because the other dog can immediately catch it. So these sections are separate. Again, these are the other wards. We have again different wards here. Tick fever, different types of tick fever. So again, we have categorized sections. Three types of tick fever. Dog ABC is done. The animal control surgery is done for dogs. This is the cancer ward. 125 cameras. Again, this is one section for isolating the dogs. This is also a miraculous case, as you can see. This is how it's burned. Okay, someone had put hot oil on him, and you can see now he's fully recovered. He's even got his fur